Although pioneers around the world have begun exchanging Pi for goods and services, the controversy that quietly exists is between the different prices. Some people are claiming that there is a consensus of $314,519 for a single Pi coin, while many more are saying that the price should be at $314 for a single Pi, which they claim to be a more realistic price for Pi. And believe it or not, many people are actually trading on both prices, as long as the service provider and the customer agree on what the price should be. But do you think that these prices can stand and stay? I for one advocated and started the campaign for the price to be $314 for one Pi. You can watch the video I made to see how I arrived at that. Most of the challenges many more people are having is the fact that they can't find a marketplace or anyone close by within their region to trade with. Not to worry, I've got you covered. In this video I will share with you exciting news about the update on where you can actually shop and spend Pi. Also I will let you know how you can search for these marketplaces and why you should use this method. The big wave is coming. Pi millionaires, are you ready? I am as excited as you. Finally, the Pi network coin can be used as a mode of payment and transactions. Before I proceed to show you the following sites that you can shop using Pi as payment, let me talk about the rules that the Pi network has laid down for all pioneers. The Pi network has said that pioneers can trade among themselves and exchange Pi for goods and services. But Pi cannot be used to exchange any other cryptocurrency or exchange Pi for fiat currency. These are highly illegal and could lead to suspension or deleting Pioneer's account. We need to get this right, otherwise Pi might just be dead on arrival. For those who keep asking for how they can exchange their Pi for fiat currency, or those that want to sell their Pi, I will say this one time. Stop searching for the possibilities of selling your Pi. It is illegal and not encouraged at this time of the enclosed mainnet by the core team. Find marchants within your territory that are willing to sell goods and services in exchange for Pi. Also, be careful of people that are posing to have interest of buying the Pi coin from you. They are nothing but scammers. Very soon everyone will be able to access marketplaces and apps where they can shop for items and make payments using Pi. Trust me, these marketplaces are ready, but they are all waiting for the SDK by the Pi network team. And as of the time of this video, the SDK is almost complete. Hold on, I know you are eager to see the marketplaces, but I need to pass a warning first. Please listen carefully. The Pi network browser was designed to help you with a lot of things, and one of these is to access authorized marchants who have passed, and are also connected the right way to the Pi network blockchain. Therefore, when searching for marketplaces or marchants, please make sure that you are doing that through the Pi network browser. In my demonstration, I will show you what happens when I search for a particular store on the Pi network browser compared to when I search for the same store from the regular browsers available on your computer or mobile phone. I will now list out some of the stores or marketplaces that are available and will launch very soon, sooner than you expect. Bear in mind that I will not be listing the entire stores or marketplaces but just the essential ones that I feel you should know. The first one I will be looking at is the Pi Chain Mall. Pi Chain Mall is a professional cross-border e-commerce platform with established 30 categories and over 660 subcategories. The next one is What You Got. This is a marketplace for retail stores to compete with one another in providing discounted prices for items and offers. It will also be global. Next in line is the Pi Barter Mall. This is an online store where you can purchase various physical and virtual goods and pay with Pi coins. Before I begin my demonstration, let me remind you that it is important to download the Pi browser if you have not done so. The Pi browser is an important part of the Pi network journey. I will begin my demonstration by going to the website of Pi Chain Mall website on my computer. This is what you will see once the home page loads up. Please note that the website is not officially launched and it is yet to connect to the Pi network, due to the awaiting SDK from the Pi team. Now, let me also input the same website into the Pi network browser. After it loads up, you will see that loads the website in a proper way, different from the way it loaded or appears on a regular computer. Since we are here, let me take through the website store a little bit. Currently the store is displaying categories from different countries. The next store I will show is the Pi Barter Mall. Also, you might notice that they have a lot of products already lined for purpose with the Pi coin. From perfumes to wine, cloths to jewelry, mobile phones and many more things. Best of is that you can order from any part of the world and have it delivered to you. As you might have guessed, you can also pay with Pi. So, pioneers, be expecting these apps and many more stores like these ones to appear at the Pi network marketplaces. And you will only be able to see them officially from the Pi browser. As it is right now, we are on a countdown to when the Pi team will officially release the SDK and API to enable the marketplaces and other ecosystem-friendly dApps to connect with the Pi network blockchain. Let me show you a little how using the marketplace on the Pi network browser will work. When you visit any of the marketplaces and select the item you will like to buy and pay with Pi. When you click on Shop, it will require you to sign in. This sign-in process will connect your wallet to the marketplace and then prompt you to select a region. This will further display a list of all the countries. All you need to do is select the country in which you are. Once you have done this, the store will connect seamlessly to your Pi wallet. This process makes it a lot easier for payments to occur without you having to return to the wallet each time a payment authorization has to happen. And the other wrong with that is, you will have to navigate away from the storefront to access the Pi wallet. I hope you understand what exactly the stores or marketplaces are waiting for. And from all indications, the wait will not be too long. Exciting times are fast approaching, and I hope you are all ready to transact more with the Pi coin. But in the meantime, try not to lose your Pi to fraudsters and people who claim to be in the position to buy your Pi coins. If you follow closely by subscribing to my channel, I will be providing more basic knowledge to how the marketplaces will work with your Pi network browser, and also the Pi network wallet. Be smart, be ready. If you have not subscribed, this will be the best time to do. Click the notification button to get notified when a new video is uploaded. Leave a thumbs up if you appreciate this video, and also don't forget to share. My name is Tony, and this is Basic Knowledge. Until my next video, keep mining.